Launching your first Google Ads campaign can feel like stepping into a maze of keywords, bidding strategies, and conversion metrics. If you are feeling overwhelmed, you are definitely not alone. Many first-timers worry about wasting money or not getting enough clicks. But with the right approach, you can turn confusion into conversions and make your ad spend work smarter, not harder. In this video, we are breaking down 5 game-changing tips that will help you run a successful Google Ads campaign, even if you are just starting out. Before you write a single ad, pause and ask yourself, what is my ideal customer actually searching for? This is the foundation of every successful campaign. Focus on high-intent keywords, which are the phrases people use when they are ready to buy. For example, instead of targeting a broad term like running shoes, go for something more specific, such as buy waterproof trail running shoes. Use Google's keyword planner to uncover intent-based keywords that have decent search traffic but lower competition. This way, you are reaching people who are more likely to convert, not just browse. It is easy to overcomplicate your ad copy, but simplicity wins. The best performing ads are clear, concise, and directly relevant to what your audience wants. Highlight a key benefit, include a strong call to action, and make sure your main keyword appears in the headline. For instance, get 50% off custom t-shirts, design and order online today. Speaks directly to the user's desire and urgency. Always address your customer's pain point or aspiration. That is how you win the click and stand out from the competition. Here is a secret weapon that most beginners overlook: negative keywords. These tell Google what searches you do not want your ad to appear for. If you are selling luxury watches, you definitely do not want your ad showing up for cheap knockoff watches. Add negative keywords like free, cheap, PDF, or job, depending on your niche. This simple step can dramatically reduce wasted spend and improve your campaign's efficiency. By filtering out irrelevant traffic, you ensure your budget is only spent on people who are actually interested in what you offer. First-time campaigns can burn through cash quickly if you are not careful. Start small with a daily budget of $5 to $10 just to test the waters. Monitor your campaign's performance closely. After 3 to 5 days, pause any ads that are not performing and double down on the ones that are working. For even more control, use manual cost per click bidding at first. This lets you manage your costs directly, and once you have enough conversion data, you can switch to smart bidding for better optimization. Imagine clicking an ad and landing on a cluttered homepage that has nothing to do with the offer. That is a fast way to lose trust and conversions. Instead, create a dedicated landing page that matches your ad's promise. Use a clear headline, a strong visual or product image, bullet point benefits, and a simple form or buy button. One message, one offer, one goal. This focused approach is your recipe for higher conversion rates and happier customers. Ready to make your first Google Ads campaign count? Remember, use intent-based keywords, write clear benefit-driven copy, add negative keywords, start with a smart budget, and always send traffic to a focused landing page. If these tips helped, like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest Google Ads challenge. Get visible, get clicks, and start scaling your business today.